Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov and today I will be showing you how to create fantastic, tropic, elegant nail art design. So as you can see, I'm working with Cani gel paint and um, I'm creating the half moon on this nail. I'm using thin brush number 0 and covering the whole nail with this amazing color. We need about 2 layers of this gel paint to create the perfect coat. I'm using flat brush number 5 or 6. In the next my videos I will tell you more about gel paints, for example, about Giorgio Cappuccini gel paint. I use it for creating the pure color without any gapes. It's just we only need only one layer. We cure it in a UV lamp about for 2 minutes, and as you can see, I'm drawing the dress for the girl we will apply on our nails. Let's make the surface matte for preparing nails, and as you can see, I'm using thin brush number 0, and only with this brush we can draw the girl, and it will be elegant painting, fashionable, and this nail art is very popular now. That's in trend, and I think that you can choose any colors and draw this girl on every nails, so they will suit to every girl, I think. So we should apply the contours of this painting with acrylic paint of the brand Masterclass. It's available in my online shop, and thin brush is available too. Let's create the girl on the other hand. Let's apply the contour with thin brush. It's something like it's not too hard to draw this just using the scheme. You can Google the picture in the internet and use it for the sketch. Now we are drawing the head and hair of this girl, and don't worry if something at the first time seems wrong, if it seems to you that some lines are not accurate. For sure, when you finish drawing the girl, I think you will like the result, and your client will be happy, because my client was very happy when she saw this the result. So let's try again, and let's watch how you can draw this simple painting. You should apply some steps. You should draw body, hair, and a little bit more lines, and we create very quickly. The main thing in this composition is dress. We use the same color that we applied on other nails, and the other are other things, black details. And you can see that it's very easy. Don't forget to mix black color with water to density of milk. This way you can achieve very thin lines. Okay, and you can draw with leaving line, because sometimes you can apply white line, and sometimes you should try to move your brush with thin line. With white line you are applying the shadow, and with thin line we get the reflection. And I'm using my funny brush, and I'm applying top coat for these nails, and we cure it in an UV lamp about 1 minute. So let's watch the result. I think these nails are very fashionable and trendy, beautiful and amazing. So my client is going to other tropic country to having a rest. I think these nails will be suitable for the sunny days. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and watch some information about my courses right now. So guys, let's apply the next nail design, and let's take a look how quickly I will be applying placing of rhinestones with large size on this nail. And for preparing nail, I'm using gel paste of silver color, and I'm covering the nail with top coat after curing the gel paste. After, we can remove tacky layer, and I'm using this special diamonds. As you can see, they are sticked together, and this way we can apply diamond placing very quickly. And once the first row is done, I'm keeping the next row and sticking it right by the previous one. I'm using my nippers for cuticle. This is old nippers, and I don't afraid to spoil them. Okay, this is the third row. I'm again cutting some rhinestones with my nippers, and I'm sticking the next one. I'm pressing it with my fingers, and as you can see, it's about 1 minute to apply the perfect rhinestones placing, and we cover the whole nail with this product. Okay, and you know, some clients adore such nail designs with a lot of shining elements, and so we can fix it and stick it to the nail using top coat. I just add some drops of top coat between rhinestones, and I'm covering rhinestones with it from the corner of the nail, like you can see now, and we'll be curing it in an UV lamp about 2 minutes. And after, don't forget to remove the tacky layer if your top coat has it. And we decided to cover other nails with red gel paint, and these nails will be looking good. I think that this is perfect combination when we use silver, rhinestones, and red color, very vibrant red color. I'm covering nails with top coat, and let's watch the result we get. Rhinestones are shining, red color is beautiful too, so I think that she will be the star on her party. So guys, if you're interested in these products, I mean rhinestones, please write down in the comments that you want to buy it. Thanks for watching. So I can show you step-by-step products that I used for making this nail design, and these products are available in my shop. The link is under the video. So now you can see the high quality drill bit, nail file 100 grit, professional cuticle nippers, and new fantastic scissors for removing cuticles. These are fantastic scissors. Gel primer, the base gel, and sculpting mix gel, carbide drill bit of barrel shape. It's necessary to remove gel and cleaning under the free edge. And also I'm using this one, cone shape drill bit for cleaning under the free edge and in the cuticles area. This one is perfect to work with cuticles. And now I'm showing you the flat brush for the gradient. For the design, I like using pearl gel paint. And of course, I'm loving this one, Arctic Snow white gel paint for French manicure and applying the whole nail. My favorite brush, flat brush for drawing one stroke technique and working with 3D gels. Okay, and this is my favorite gel paint, acrylic paint. So this one is thin brush number 00, and this one helps me to make 3D nail designs. Gel top coat I'm using for final coat of nail designs. I'm also using rubber top and base for applying gel polish. And it's about $188 for the full kit of high quality professional tools and products that I use in my work. So you can right now send me the list of products you need, and please don't care about shipping because prices include shipping to any country or any state door to door. So the full information is under the video. Don't forget to click that like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one video. Bye!